What is up, guys? David here from Overland Nomad, and today we're going to be installing these Form Lighting amber fog lights on my 2023 Toyota Tundra, so stay tuned. So these are the Form Lighting amber fog lights. These match any of the third gen Tundras, 2022 all the way to present Tundra. As long as you got the fog light, these are plug and play. You don't need to run a wiring harness or anything. They literally replace. This should be the easiest install ever. All you're gonna be using are some plastic pry tools. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight, Home Depot. You're gonna be using these so we can take off this whole plastic piece of the bumper. Before we get into the install, I picked these up for 100 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. Some guy bought them and didn't like the amber look on his truck, so he sold them to me half off because originally these are $200. All right, guys, so let's start popping out the plastics to get your pry tool, and we're gonna start going from the top here. Okay. There you go, guys. So as you can see, we got just 2 screws on each headlight, so let's go ahead and remove those. Let's see what we got behind here. We got a connection, as you can see, so let's go ahead and it's got a little tab here in the back. That's simple. Again, same connection, and that's it. I'm gonna show you guys the old fog light. That's the original fog light, and then we have your Form Lighting amber. They look identical other than the fact that this one, the lens is already amber and it's black, which looks sharp. It looks pretty much very much original to the old one. So again, old one, Form. I love the amber lens in there. The housing is already amber color with the black trim, black housing. Really, really nice. So let's get these installed. This should be a very straight forward install, just because we're using the same plug, so let's just plug and play, and that's about it. So let's get that done. Plugged in, ready to go. This is R. If it's labeled R, that means it's the passenger side. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna screw it back on. This is one of the simplest mods I guess you can do to the Tundra. That's gonna significantly just improve the looks of it. I love yellow fogs. I've always liked them since I was in high school, and this is perfect. It should be a little bit of an upgrade to the actual lights themselves. Let's hope so. It's starting to look pretty good. So I have my ambers over there and I have my stock ones. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, just to compare the stock regular lights compared to your ambers. Just so you guys get an idea how they're looking. The ambers look really sharp. I love the look of that. It's not for everyone, and supposedly that color is really good for fog light. It cuts through a lot of fog, so that's what they were made for. So just give you a little look at the Form amber fog lights. Man, they look sharp. I really like the look of them. And now let's look at the OEM ones. Nothing wrong with the OEM ones. Still cool, but I do like the black housing on this, and I love the amber look. This is really nice. And before we put the bezel, obviously you want to test them. So I turned on my lights and they're working. They are working, and look at that. They look super, super nice. Nice amber color. They look really sharp. This was the best 100 bucks I've spent on Marketplace. Look at that. Super nice. or you have to be careful is obviously you want to line it all up. But the fun part is gonna get this lip on both sides to go in, so you might have to kind of push it. So let's do that. Looks like good. How's it? All right. Okay. There you go. All right, we give it some pushes in there, make sure we're all clipped. But it all looks good. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. This is the easiest install I've ever done. This was super simple. It took literally 15 minutes. See how those lights look? They're looking sharp. I like how the fog lights look. You got some of that amber, the lens are amber color. I love that look. It looks super nice. Now let's get the lights turned on and see how it looks. I guess what makes this install very easy, it's the fact that it's plug and play. There's no wiring harnesses to deal with. I think that makes it really nice. And there you have it, guys. That's simple, and they look so sharp. Look at that. Well, once you look down there, they're blinding, but if you're an incoming car, this should not blind you at all. They look really, really good. Well, guys, that's the end of this install video. For more Tundra mods, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this Tundra for 2026. Like, I already got tires, rims, lift, incoming, a camper in a few months. That's gonna be the big one. It's gonna be a lot of fun with that. But anyway, stay subscribed to the channel. Go follow me on Instagram because there's a lot more coming up. A lot of trips, a lot of camping trips, a lot of off-roading. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.